Hi Mama. Two hearts. In this video, I'll explain the importance of using a breast pump and show you how to use a manual breast pump step by step. Using a breast pump is an amazing way to make breastfeeding easier and more flexible. It helps you store milk for later, so your baby can still enjoy your breast milk even when you're away or resting. Pumping also helps maintain your milk supply, relieve engorged breasts, and make feeding time more comfortable for both you and your little one. Now, let's talk about the manual breast pump itself. It has a soft silicone flange that fits gently on your breast and a handle that you squeeze to create suction. The milk is collected in a clean container, and the whole pump is made from safe, food-grade materials. Before you start, make sure everything is clean and dry. Then, place the silicone flange so it fully covers your nipple and forms a gentle seal. Begin pressing the handle slowly and steadily to create a natural suction. You should feel light pressure, never pain. As milk begins to flow, continue pumping at a comfortable pace. It usually takes about 10 to 20 minutes to express milk from both breasts. Remember, every mom's rhythm is different. Relax and take your time. When you're done, close the milk container tightly with a lid and store it in the refrigerator or freezer for later use. Breast pumps are not just tools, they're your breastfeeding partners. They help you feed your baby with confidence, even when life gets busy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other moms who might need support. Thank you for watching, and remember, every drop of milk you express is a gift of love.